Hey guys, today I'm going to talk a bit about a fun project we at Scandy have been working on with our friends at Entrescan in the Scale workspace, turning 3D scans into candles. It's really exciting to explore all the awesome possibilities of what can be done with a Scandy Pro 3D scan, and I'm going to go through a brief outline of this candle making process. So we decided to make candles of the faces of some Scandy employees, and the first step is to take a full 360 scan of the person whose face you want to turn into a candle. Try to capture the scan in as high as resolution as possible so you have a very detailed candle. Once you made the full 360 circle around the head, you can press to complete your scan, and then clean up your scan inside of Scandy Pro and export it for resizing, repairs, and other cleanups. It'd be best to export it as an STL file. So from there, we use this mesh to create a mold and then send the mold to get 3D printed. Once the mold is printed, you can fill it with wax and create the candle. So here are some images of the mold of Evan's head being opened and the final product. So I hope that this video was inspiring. If you want to find out more about how to get your face turned into a candle, you can contact Entrescan, whose website I will include below. Happy scanning!